Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to recreate this look that I'm wearing now on my face. So without any further ado, I can't wait to make this, to show you how I did all of this. So without any further ado, let's go straight into the video. So as you can see, for the beginning I already primed my eyes, put the tape on it, and I set it up. So first thing I'm gonna do for today is not a thing that I usually do. I'm gonna use the liquid lipstick for a transition shade, and I'm gonna use, it's from Essence, and I'm gonna use this one, matte, a little bit darker shade. I'm gonna show you everything further in the video. So I'm gonna start with putting this, I'm gonna show you Color Boost by Essence in the shade, I don't really see a shade here, it's Mad About Matte. So what I'm gonna do, where I would usually put a transition shade, I'm just gonna tap a few spots of this and then I'm gonna blend it up. So as you can see, I put it only in my crease. Now, I already tried it on my hand, is it going to blend or no, and I used this brush and it showed up very good. So I'm gonna blend it with this brush. It's a fluffy blending brush. I got it from AliExpress. It was whole set of, I think, 4 face brush and 5 eye brushes for like €3, something like that. It's actually blending very well. I didn't thought it's gonna blend so easy. At least on my hand it didn't blend so easy. So I'm gonna drag it a little bit up so I can blend it better. I hope you guys can see everything what I'm doing. I actually never did nothing similar with the liquid eyeshadows or anything like that. This is my first time. I was always afraid if they're not gonna blend well, but I think I'm gonna use them more often now after this. I adore the color. I hope you can see it. So I'm gonna do the same thing on my other eye. Actually, I'm gonna drag it all over my eye because I see that it's creating a straight line and I don't want to have that transition. I want everything to be even. And I'm gonna use here the white, something very light, so anyways I have to use the concealer, I think. And I'm also gonna drag something under my eye, a bit of product. It looks so nice. Now I'm gonna take some very light shade, precisely this from Desert Dusk palette. Huda's, sorry. This one, Desert Sand, and I'm gonna take, oops, I'm sorry. I'm gonna take a very fat, fluffy blending brush, and I'm gonna just diffuse this edge here, blend it in. So everything looks more smooth and nicely blended. But just a little bit, not too much, because I want to keep everything pinky. And this is quite a brown beige shade. So okay, now I'm gonna take the previous brush without product, only brush, and I'm just gonna repeat the same thing. Okay, that should look like that in the beginning. Now I'm gonna use another lipstick. This one is normal lipstick, also from Essence. It's Matte 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 07, the shade here. And I'm gonna actually just put a few spots here in my outer V, because I want to make eyeshadow look more deep and intense. So just a few. Like that. This is on the tape, so that's why I put the tape, because I know I'm gonna mess out everything. Basically, I'm gonna make a line similar to when I do the eyeliner wing, and when I blend that out, it's gonna look very nice, and it's gonna make the eye look deeper. Again, I have to take a very thick blending brush, one like this. Now I have to blend this other shade in, and I'm taking, as I said, very thick blending brush, and I'm gonna start blending it in my outer V. This one is a little bit more difficult to blend, but it's getting blended, so don't worry about it. And also, every shade I use on my lid, I use it down as well. So I'm just gonna drag a bit under. So let's look like that. Now I'm gonna take the previous brush from the lighter shade, and I'm just gonna diffuse the edge, because I don't want to lose the lighter shade. Okay, I repeat the same thing on my other eye. And yeah, it's important that the lipsticks are matte, because it's gonna look very bad if they are like satin. And if you feel that you went too much up to the eyebrow, you can always take a very light shade and diffuse all of that, as I'm gonna do now. So follow the brow and just blend, lower it a little bit. In the makeup, everything can be fixed. You just have to know the tips and tricks. I don't know which color to use, but I want something shimmery in the inner corner. I'm gonna try with this Catrice Spectral Light Eyeshadow Glow Kit. You can see how it's very nice. But for that I have to wet up the brush a little bit. So I need my fixing spray. I'm using this one from Body Shop makeup setting spray. It's very nice. For the price, basically I'm using all the makeup from druggeries, so it's very affordable. Because I'm a beginner in YouTube and everything. I do makeup a long time before I started a YouTube channel, but I didn't have so much makeup to, you know, work on myself. So I took everything from the druggeries, because I want to start, you know, from the lower quality products, so I can build up my knowledge through the time. So as I said, let's make that brush a bit wet. I'm gonna use this Real Techniques pointed brush, and I'm gonna take that shade here. Let's try it out. See how it works. Whoa. Whoa, it's very nice. I think if I use the dry brush, it wouldn't came up like this. And what I'm doing, I'm not blending it, I'm just tapping it in. So basically pat it in the inner V. Now I'm gonna repeat the same thing on my other eye as usual. I'm just gonna put a little bit more of that shade, and that would be it. Now it's time for the eyeliner and lashes and my face and so many things more. So the eyeliner, as usual, I'm using my L'Oreal gel eyeliner. Okay, I found it. It's this one. It's very luxury packaging. I love how it looks. Okay guys, I'm back with my eyeliner ready. What I did also, I put a bit of this shade, it's very light, in my inner corner. But just a bit. I use the same brush like I use for the shade from my inner corner. Now next thing what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put mascara on, and then I'm going off camera again and to do my face, and I'm coming back to show you what I did. So I need my mascara, my usual one from L'Oreal. So I always put mascara on my lower lashes as well, so I pop up way more. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try putting some black eye pencil. This one is from my Pupa palette. It says eye pencil on it, nothing else. I'm gonna put it in my waterline. I'm gonna try how it looks. But I know there are a lot of girls who can't stand anything when doing around their waterline. So if you're one of those girls, don't do it. Let's see how it looks better. It should look like that on the end. So that would be it for the eyes. Now I'm saying bye to you for a few minutes, and I'm coming back to show you what I did with my face. So see you further in the video. So I'm back with the final look. I came up with this look on the end. I did a little bit of contours, lips as well. For the lips I used 3 products. I used this, basically the same like for the eyes. I used those 2 lipsticks, one liquid, one normal, and I use this Colistar lip pencil in this shade, and I use it to make like a bit of ombre lips. That's the products that I use for the lips. So that would be it. As I said, if you like this video, and I hope you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel if you want more videos like this. And feel free to leave me comments down below. What do you think about my videos? What would you like me to recreate some look or anything? Just any thoughts, leave them down below in the comments. Thank you very much, and see you next time. Bye!